Welcome back to our book channel. Today we will be reading Nickelodeon's Rusty Rivets in Tigerbot Saves the Day. Rusty and Ruby are working outside. A boy named Frankie skates over. He has just moved to town. Frankie made his own skateboard. He says he is a great inventor. Frankie thinks Botasaur is cool. He wants to make Botasaur even cooler. Rusty and Ruby go inside for a snack. Frankie sneaks over. He programs Botasaur to act like a dino, not a dog. But he makes a mistake. Botasaur acts like a big frog. Botasaur hops away with Frankie. Rusty and Ruby follow in their cars. Botasaur hops to an island. Rusty and Ruby cannot drive on water, so they turn their cars into boats. Frankie tries again. Uh-oh. He programs Botasaur to act like a goat. Botasaur climbs the mountain. Rusty and Ruby use climbing arms to follow. Frankie programs Botasaur to act like a fierce dino. Roar! Botasaur's big roar causes a rock slide. The rocks push them off a cliff. Rusty and Ruby must help. They make a plan. They build a new robot, Tigerbot. Tigerbot reaches down to Frankie and Botasaur. He saves them. Rusty fixes Botasaur's chip. He is back to normal. Frankie sees that Botasaur is fun the way he is. Tigerbot thinks Botasaur is fun too. Thank you guys for joining us for today's book read. We hope you guys enjoyed Nickelodeon's Rusty Rivets. Tigerbot Saves the Day. Consider subscribing and sharing this content with your friends and family if you're into these types of books. And we'll catch you with another book read real soon. Take care, guys, and keep on reading. Goodbye.
Bye.